See this color? Y'all see this green and red and white? I love it. It's beautiful. I'm gonna start on the egg so that when the sauteed stuff gets out the pan, I can throw the egg straight in there and not have to wait. So, ooh. Good morning, y'all. I don't know if I should be concerned, but sometimes I could just be existing or standing somewhere, right? And all of a sudden in my arm, like right here, I just feel a strong, like, I can't explain it. It just feels like a, right there in my arm, like just a tight, like I'm doing this, but my arm's like this, and I just feel that right there. Should I be concerned? This happened one time before, and I had my, like, granny pray over it, and then it went away. But it happens occasionally, and it's a bit concerning. You know, when you look stuff up on Google, it's like, oh, this could be a sign of that or that or that. So it's like, y'all, these bell peppers and onions are almost done, so I'm about to take them out and start making the omelet. Y'all hear that sizzling? Let me give y'all some saute ASMR. Burn. Yeah, I need tongs. I need tongs. I need tongs. But it ain't no tongs out right now, so gotta make do with what we do. We gotta make do. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm okay. I think I'm okay. My goal is to close this and actually make an omelet and not like a scramble, which might be a little difficult. It's okay. Okay, y'all, I finished cooking. I'm trying not to spill the omelet juice, but y'all see toast, omelet, bell peppers, meat, eggs. Time to see if it busts. Bust. Bit my cheek. Hey y'all, so tell me why I was on the phone with my dad, right? And I was showing him these old camping clips I'm about to put out in another video. And then he was like, oh yeah, that go crazy, that go hard, that's lit. And I was like, you cannot say that. I was like, you passed the age range for your opportunity to say those phrases. You actually cannot say that. Like I was like, that's I was like, ew, don't say that. It was so funny. He was like, are you saying I'm too old to say that? I was like, no, I'm not saying you're too old. I'm just saying you've passed the age range to say those phrases. That's what I'm saying. I don't know why my face is so white. I mean, I put on sunscreen lotion, but I wasn't trying to look like Michael Jackson. Anyways, welcome to my channel. If you didn't already know, or if this is your first time watching my channel, my name is QueenZiare Hadley. I make vlogs. The voice crack. I make vlogs, cooking clips, traveling. I literally film any and everything. Going somewhere, cooking something, just breathing and living and like doing daily activities. I don't know. I film literally everything. So if you want to see somebody film literally everything, this is the right place for you. So today is, oh, my mom called me. What do I want to talk about, y'all? Well, I was about to say, today is Tuesday, April 4th, 8:54 a.m. Y'all like my screensaver?
Boy, if you don't get your squiggly diggly head.
I loved watching Courage growing up with my brother. You know, since I was born in like 06, I was like in between that, especially since I had an older brother. Growing up watching cartoons, I would watch like, it was a mix of like that 90s and 2000s and earlier and later cartoons. It was like, I don't know, it was like the perfect blend of cartoon. Peak cartoons were during those times, 90s, 2000s. it was just perfect. Y'all, this is what I want to talk about. So usually in my vlog, talk about like maybe something I'm dealing with or things I'm looking forward to, or I don't know, it's just always so serious, and it's like, lighten up. Like y'all, I remember I used to be joking and you know, with the memes and all that stuff. I need to bring that back, because I'm like, it's getting boring, y'all. Like, it's getting bland. Like, I want some spice, I want some flavor, I want to have fun, I want y'all to have fun. Like, I want us to enjoy. I can't, my face looks so white right now. But I want us to enjoy this time, you know? You get it? Do you understand what I'm saying? It's been too serious on my channel for a while. We need to lighten the mood, okay? Lighten the mood. Have patience with me. Y'all, I really want a grilled cheese, but I'm very lactose. And usually before, I could eat cheese every now and then be able to slide past and be okay. But now, I eat one cheesy thing and then it's like flatline, everything straight to the toilet. Like, it's not funny how sensitive I am to like dairy products now. I used to be able to eat, you know, a couple milky cheesy things here and there, and then if I take a long break, I could do it again. But now, I don't know what's going on. Like, I just hello. I don't know what's up. I'ma commit a crime. I'ma commit a felony today. For this good old morning, I'ma commit a felony on myself. And I'm gonna do that by making a grilled cheese.
I look like a clown.
Gotta hurry up, y'all. My mom's finna start work soon, so I need to get out the way. Gotta hurry up. Ooh. I'm over here ripping stuff. You know, I should make more than one so that we can all munch and crunch. We really don't need grilled cheeses right now, but y'all, so I just went in the freezer and this is how much cheese we have. As long as the bread is buttery and juicy and it's a little bit of cheese, that should be okay, right? It was an attempt. There was an attempt to make a grilled cheese. I'm gonna make with what I can. I'm gonna make do with what I have. So we slowed down on buying cheeses and stuff. We do that occasionally because we're all like a little, you know, we don't need to be eating dairy like that. Okay, y'all, I just threw the bread in the pan. I don't see a lot of bread. I don't see any bread, to be honest. I don't understand. Usually before I cook, I look to make sure I have the stuff to make, but this morning, you know, I just didn't do that for some reason. Okay, y'all, I'm so lucky. I found a whole new bag of bread, so everybody is getting two. Okay, let me know y'all opinion on this, because hold up, I need to switch this mode. Let me know y'all opinion on this. So you know how there's the inbred in the bag, right? You know, I don't really care. I don't like wasting food. I feel like bread is bread. So if you cooked something on the bread and then gave it to me, I wouldn't be offended. I would just eat the sandwich. Like, it's such a little detail to me. Why would I be worried over an inbred, right? Y'all, I give inbred to my mom or somebody else, they go like Jurassic Park on me. Like, dang, it's just the inbred. I'm not purposely trying to ruin your day or your life by giving you this inbred. Like, you just happen to get it. I'm not like calculating, oh yeah, I'm gonna put this right here and cook this at this time so that when it's finished I can give this to you and you'll end up with, like, no. I'm not doing it on purpose. That's just what you ended up getting. But I'll shut up. Now I know that people have their preparations. I won't be doing that again because that is very offensive. But let me know down in the comments, do y'all care about inbreds or do y'all just like eat food? You know, just eat food, right? I need to get a spatula and spread that around and then take this, plop that there, and we golden. We are golden, y'all. Y'all, I miss this, like talking and cooking and, you know, having a conversation. Like, y'all, high school, it's been a lot. So I haven't been like cooking like I used to, or like vlogging early in the mornings, you know, having a little cute friend chat. No, we don't gotta think about that right now, because right now, guess what we doing? We cooking and we having a little fun chat. That's what we're doing. Y'all, recently I was watching a video by Arrington Allen, and you know, he was just talking about how inside our brains we have Mr. Defeat and Mr. Triumph, and whichever one you feed more is the one you'll get more product from. And he was basically saying, very dramatically in his fashion, you need to be feeding Mr. Triumph and not Mr. Defeat, because when you feed Mr. Triumph, you get positive products, you push away negative thoughts and everything else. Y'all, if y'all don't watch Arrington Allen, I would recommend watching him, because he's very funny, he's very positive, in an uplifting spirit, and very affirming, and it's just a really good role model. Oh, I don't think I ever gave you a follow-up. So in one of my other videos, I talked about some tea, which one of my teachers went online and typed up this rant about the school. They ended up they were planning on resigning anyway. So, but y'all, this new teacher, I already knew like the sub we were gonna have, so I was already looking forward to it, because like I had this sub before, and y'all, he is so dope. Like, he is actually fun, he engages with the lesson, he engages with us, he tries his best to like understand the work we're doing so he can actually help us and like get us to learn. It's like, he's so dope, y'all. Like, and I already know class gonna be fired, because last week, the last day before we went on spring break, it was so cool, y'all. So cool. Ooh, this bread a little toasty. Y'all, I'm not even feeling the food, I'm just talking. It's cool. Y'all seen enough food. Y'all seen a lot of food. Get a little cheese. You know what, actually, these gonna go in the microwave, because I don't want to keep these breads on the grill any longer than they have to be. What we don't want is some black burnt pieces of bread. That's what we don't want. Some butter. It's so nice to just talk to y'all again. I feel like I usually talk to y'all, but it's not when it's chill time. It's usually like, let me hurry up and film me talking before I have to do something else, and then I'm busy again. That's the type of energy I be on. Like, I be having stuff to do, so I can't just like hang back and chill. Y'all, it's time for a change. I feel like with this past school year, I've become somebody I'm not. Like, at school, I'm usually like, I'm very quiet and reserved, and I keep to myself. And I used to be like, hey, how you all doing? But somewhere along the way, I just getting back into my extrovertedness. Let's just say that, extrovertedness. Hey y'all, so I just got done reading some book about, like, you know, like maybe I think you would describe it as like self-healing, or yeah, self-healing book. So the first book I read was called Rest in the Morning. Now, it's not spelled like rest in the morning, it's spelled like rest in the morning, like somebody died and you're mourning over them. Basically a whole bunch of poems. It was just dope. I think the book was really dope. I read Rest in the Morning by R.H. Sin, and then I also remember seeing this book, Milk and Honey by Rupi Kaur. I don't know if that's how you say their name. So, you know, I thought I've seen it a couple times here and there, and it keeps popping up, so I might as well just read it. It's a very beautiful book. Milk and Honey by Rupi Kaur. I'm saying that wrong, I'm sorry, but really dope. And y'all know what's crazy? I read these two books straight back to back just now. Rest in the Morning, it took me like 25 minutes. Milk and Honey, then after that I read Milk and Honey for 43 minutes. Y'all know these books are good if I just sit here and sit through the whole book for like an hour reading these two books. Like, and y'all, I haven't read like this in a while. Like, unless I get assigned a book in class or something, I wouldn't really like read. It'd be those like random sporadic moments where I would like pick up a good horror book or a thriller or something, or Stephen King or something, because y'all know that's my jam. Like, I love that type of stuff. It would be really random when I would like get attached to a book and read it straight through like that. So for me to do this with these two books I've just clicked on today, they're good. They're just, I don't know, I really enjoyed reading these books straight through. I've been reading for about an hour and some change, so I'm thinking I should maybe take a break, do some like studying for my AP classes, because I got exams in May and it's March 31st. Or I can read some more. I think I should keep reading some more, because it's like I'm on this like I'm on this like reading streak right now, and I feel like if I break it off, I'm gonna not return back to it and get like caught up doing something else. So I want to read all that I can right now. I mean, I still can push myself to come back and read after I do whatever else I do, but most likely I'm gonna try and procrastinate, if we're being honest. I don't know if I told y'all yet, but I officially started spring break yesterday, Thursday, March 30th. They started us early because of our pupil free days and teachers had these meetings or whatever. I could take this time to continue reading these wonderful books and edit and study later. Yeah, I think I'm gonna continue reading because like I'm enjoying myself right now. I'm actually having fun. I'll talk to you guys later.
Ladies on an escalator, going upstairs so